For ISTE Standard 2A, I used the Montgomery Public Schools Based Technology Integration Plan for the current year. As technology coordinator, I was asked to come up with some goals and objectives that we want to see in Jefferson Davis High School to move forward and upward with technology integration. And so the first goal, educators will engage in the process of assessment for specific instructional strategies that align with the technology standards to improve learning for students. Under that, we have three objectives. Of course, teachers will demonstrate the use of technology standards to support instructional strategies. They will investigate the standards and resources to support those instructional strategies in the classroom, which will also address the needs of special education and our ESL students. Lastly, teachers will demonstrate the use of technology that will engage students in cooperative learning activities such as virtual labs across the curriculum. The second goal, the educator will incorporate the use of technology standards to achieve learning objectives in all disciplines within the school. The educator will explore, identify, and integrate those technology standards into their lesson plans. The student will use technology to help them think critically and more in depth to solve complex problems. They will also be more involved with digital tools, which will allow them to empower their learning. And the last objective, ensure quality access and availability so that no student is without technology. The last goal, teachers will embrace technology to enhance their own personal and professional development. I'm currently in the process of trying to put together a workshop for students and faculty so that they will decrease any anxiety of using technology.